Releasing burnout and reclaiming your energy. Welcome to this guided meditation. Today we'll focus on releasing burnout and reclaiming your energy. Take a comfortable seat or lie down. Allow yourself to settle in and let go of any distractions. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. With each breath, you're inviting calmness and healing into your body. Take a deep breath in and exhale, releasing all tension. Now, bring your attention to your body. Notice any areas of tension. Perhaps your shoulders are tight or your back feels heavy. With every inhale, imagine breathing in healing energy. And with every exhale, let go of the stress you've been carrying. Start with your head. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Let the muscles soften. Move your attention down your neck, releasing the tightness, and continue down through your arms, hands, and fingers. Let go of any energy that no longer serves you. Feel this healing energy flowing down through your chest, stomach, and lower back, releasing all tension and stress as it flows. Let your legs relax, your knees and your calves, all the way down to your feet. Allow the heaviness to dissolve and feel the lightness filling your entire body. Now, I want you to imagine a soft, healing light surrounding you. This light is warm, soothing, and full of love. It's here to heal and replenish your energy. Imagine this light flowing through every cell of your body, dissolving any feelings of burnout, fatigue, or exhaustion. With every breath, the light grows brighter and more powerful, restoring your energy. See any areas of burnout melting away, replaced with this beautiful light, this beautiful healing light. Take a few more deep breaths in, taking in the healing energy, and exhale, releasing all tensions, fatigue and burnout. Continue doing this. And when you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Remember that this energy is always available to you. You can return to this place of healing whenever you need to. Take one last deep breath, feeling rejuvenated, refreshed, and ready to step into your day with renewed energy. Until next time, love and light. Thank you.